So today, Chef Hayashi prepared vegetable soup stock for the tasting. So this time, this kind of onion, broccoli stem and leaves, only broccoli stem and leaves, and various mushrooms, Chinese cabbage and celery and turnip skin. And this is dried vegetables. Why he used dried vegetables? Because dehydration is one of the beneficial methods to make it easy to extract amino acids from vegetables. And you have the dried vegetable stock on your plate. The 2 cups with bruising. So why dehydration is a beneficial way? Because dehydration is one of the ways to make it possible for easy extraction of taste components, including amino acids in food ingredients. So the fresh vegetable is a very tight structure of cell. So this is a cell in vegetables. And free amino acids is inside of the cell. And dehydration breaks the cell wall, and amino acids can extract it from inside of the cell to outside of the cell. That's why dried vegetable is very easy to extract amino acids from vegetable to soup stock. So this is a very easy way to get good quality of dashi. And you know that almost all kind of Japanese dashi made from dried materials. Dried kombu, katsuobushi is also dried materials, and also dried shiitake mushroom. So drying process is very important to get easily free amino acids inside of the cell to outside of the cell. So let's try to try the taste of vegetable soup. So today, cup A is very low salt concentration. Only 0.2% of salt is in soup A. So please try the soup A. Maybe it's some kind of a water, not rich taste. And soup B is soup A with 0.1% MSG, pure umami taste. Please try soup B. For Japanese mother's milk have maybe soy sauce flavor, katsuobushi flavor, and miso flavor. And in the UK, maybe BT, fish and chips flavor, cheddar cheese or Marmite. And in Italy, meat, tomato, parmigiano reggiano, or olive oil flavor. So the baby imprinted the taste profile of different kind of dishes in different countries. So that's why giving variety of food when babies start eating solid foods is very important to develop the preference of child. So umami is a common taste around the world, and this map shows many traditional condiments or foods rich in glutamate. In the Western countries, the tomato is a very important material to impart umami taste. Not fresh tomato, dried tomato or tomato paste, tomato ketchup. This means that in the dried tomato or tomato paste, glutamate is highly concentrated in those products. That's why we can get lots of umami taste from tomato products, and cheese or cured ham, anchovy are all rich in glutamate. And in Asian countries, fish sauces in Southeast Asian countries and miso, soy sauce are all rich in glutamate. So glutamate is very familiar taste around the world. Even though the different geographical area, people achieve umami in different areas. This means that umami is a common and very important taste and universal taste around the world. So this shows explanation of umami taste by different chefs. Once chefs understand umami taste, they try to explain about umami in their own words. And all these are very helpful to understand the umami sensation. The savory taste or mellow sensation, it makes your mouth water, and pleasant aftertaste with satisfaction or lingering sensation, fullness of taste that fill my mouth. All these are very helpful to understand umami taste. So next one is my last slide. So I have been working with Nobu-san since 2004, and first he tried to understand umami taste, but it was very difficult. But he understood umami taste, and his explanation is umami is just like the bass part of the music. So you have bass part of the music, you can enjoy the round-out sound and harmony. Umami has to make round-out taste and make balance and harmony with other taste. Thank you very much for your attention.